10 Cool Gadgets You Should Have in 2022. Coming in at number 1 is the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. For the eco-conscious note-taker, this smart notebook has 32 pages that are easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth when paired with Pilot friction pens. The first reusable notepad of its kind, they claim it feels just like writing on a traditional pad thanks to its special space-aged paper. Available in a variety of sizes, it's also compatible with the Rocketbook app. This allows you to scan your notes, which will then be saved into a cloud of your choice, so you'll never lose your work and can easily revisit any sketches, notes, and lists in the long run. Starting at $37.99 at Best Buy. DJI FPV Drone. Fancy yourself as a drone pilot? DJI's new drone beams the view from its camera straight to a headset back on terra firma. You see what the drone sees. It's a user-friendly version of what drone racing pilots use in competitions. The drone itself can move at a max speed of 87 miles per hour and can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. The DJI FPV Air unit records videos at 1080p 60 frames per second during flight, providing pilots with smooth and clear aerial footage. It has a max range of 6 miles, but you'll need a spotter who can keep an eye out for people or obstructions below while you fly. The tech is pretty power hungry, so you'll get a maximum of 25 minutes out of a flight, but it will be one hell of a ride. Starting at $999 at DJI.com. Nixplay Digital Picture Frame. Let's start with the Nixplay Digital Photo Frame. This smart gadget changes the traditional, static photo frame into something more interactive and is able to show more than just one snapshot of a favorite memory, place, or person. For your Valentine, you can pick up 8 to 15.6-inch models, starting at $69. No matter which size you buy, the plug-and-play photo frames can be controlled via motion or remote control and can be used in both portrait and landscape settings. RENPHO Eye Massager. For lovers working from home. On the surface, the RENPHO Eye Massager looks like a prop from a futuristic sci-fi movie. But what it really is an eye strain-reducing machine that doubles as a Bluetooth music player. With built-in heating pads, this massager can apply the right amount of warmth and pressure to relieve dry eyes, puffiness, and dark circles. If your recipient spends his or her workdays staring at a monitor, then give the gift of relaxation and eye comfort with this thoughtful gadget, starting at $59 at Walmart. Meta Quest 2. In January 2022, Meta renamed the Oculus Quest 2 headset the Meta Quest 2. The hardware itself, reviewed here, remains the same. The preeminent gaming VR headset on the market continues to blossom. The Meta Quest 2 features a growing library of games, and it's becoming an increasingly intuitive VR unit. Bonus points because yes, it can support major computer gaming thanks to the Oculus Link cable. The Oculus Quest 2 is one of the best VR headsets available for both beginners and seasoned VR veterans alike. In fact, we'd go so far as to say it's a must-have device if you're looking for a top-tier VR system that doesn't require the additional wires, huge expense or added fuss of a PC-based VR setup, like the HTC Vive or now discontinued Oculus Rift S, starting at $299 at Best Buy. Bose Frames Tempo. Designed for sports. Engineered for sound. Bose Frames Tempo will take your audio game to the next level. With Bose open-ear audio, you get loud, deep, lifelike sound thanks to wafer-thin speakers hidden in the temples. It's a jaw-dropping experience that leaves you free to engage with the world around you, all while discreetly listening to music. Performance doesn't end with audio. Bose Frames Tempo is also designed for maximum comfort and durability with a lightweight nylon frame, sweat and weather resistance, and durable, soft, silicone nose pads. Tempo gives you sound you expect from Bose with everything you need from sports sunglasses. Groove to your favorite jams during your outdoor workouts without the need for headphones. The new Bose Frames Tempos deliver next-level Bose open-ear audio sound with a sweat and water-resistant, lightweight design that any tech lover with an active lifestyle would be stoked to receive. Starting at $249 at Best Buy. Meet Somabar, a fully automated, professional countertop bartender that makes your favorite drinks on command. Add your own ingredients, select your beverage, and Somabar will do the rest. Adjust drink size, strength, and recipes to your personal taste. Add an unlimited number of your own recipes from cocktails to cold coffee lattes to tea juice infusions to party drinks for the whole family. The future is now. And it's magnificent. For availability, pricing and product inquiries, please visit their inquiries and support page. Project Hazel. The world's smartest mask face the new normal with protection that's far from average. Introducing our prototype of the most intelligent mask ever created, a design focusing on 5 key areas to ensure the highest degree of safety with the best quality of life enhancements. Surgical N95 respirator. In addition to its high bacterial filtration efficiency, the mask also has a high fluid resistance which protects against large droplets and splashes. Active ventilation. The smart mask's detachable ventilator regulates airflow and is capable of filtering at least 95% of airborne particles. Auto-sterilization function. Project Hazel comes with a special charging case lined with a UV light interior which kills bacteria and viruses as the mask charges. Rumored to start at $149. The NutriChef Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer. Change the way that you store your food with the NutriChef Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer. It has a simple-to-use design that makes it much easier to save a variety of items. This food saver vacuum sealer has been lab tested and is able to effectively increase the shelf life of food. The unit will make a useful addition to the rest of the appliances and accessories in your kitchen. The NutriChef Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer has a sleek black design that will blend in well when placed on a kitchen countertop. The machine can be used to seal away both dry as well as moist food. It will help make the most of the space in your fridge and freezer by letting you avoid having to use boxy containers. You can use it for more than just food. For example, preserve and waterproof various items that will be stored away or taken with you while traveling. It will also come in handy for someone who is dieting and predetermining their food portions. The NutriChef Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer will get the job done no matter what it is being used for. Starting at $60.15 at Walmart. The HidrateSpark PRO. The HidrateSpark PRO Smart Water Bottle is the world's smartest water bottle. Stainless steel vacuum-insulated body keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours, prevents sweating and allows for a pure water taste. Both variations of lids feature a protective spout cover. The chug lid includes a button lock to prevent accidental spills. This 100% BPA-free bottle includes an easily accessible rechargeable battery on the bottom of the bottle with a fast charging cable so your bottle can always stay charged while you're on the go. This new design also includes an improved sensor technology with clinically proven accuracy within 3% of manual readings through Mayo Clinic trials. Using a built-in sensor, the HidrateSpark PRO bottle tracks your water intake and syncs via Bluetooth to the brand's free hydration app on your phone. When a user falls behind on their hydration goal, LED lights embedded in the sensor puck glow in customizable patterns as a reminder to stay on track. Users also receive reminder notifications throughout the day via the hydration app, perfect as a gift for friends and family. Track each other's progress and make staying hydrated a fun activity. Starting at $69.99 at Best Buy.